A few storms did pop up early this afternoon around parts of Madison and Jackson County, but those have since pushed back into Tennessee. At the time being, on the Way 31 Skycam network, we have a partly sunny sky and dry conditions. It is not quite as hot today as recent days, with our current temperatures in the mid 70s to low 80s, right at 80 in Huntsville, 81 in Decatur, and 81 degrees in Muscle Shoals. Not likely to get much warmer than that for the rest of the day today. So while it may not be hotter, it is certainly muggier today than it was yesterday. Dew points from Coleman through Athens over to Muscle Shoals are at 70. That is a sign of some steamy, soupy air in place, and that's going to help support a good chance for more stormy weather late today through the overnight hours. Currently on 31 triple Doppler, all we have is just an isolated downpour in Winston County that is moving northeast, so be prepared for isolated showers in Coleman and Morgan counties as we head into the next hour or two. But we are certainly keeping a closer eye on this complex of storms. Here's your $5 weather term of the day: a mesoscale convective system, an MCS, that is moving through Mississippi right now. That is pushing eastward and will be in West Alabama within the hour. Severe wind gusts associated with that storm system. Here's the good news: this is beginning to weaken a little bit. So as it continues its push toward Alabama, the chances for severe weather will be dropping as time rolls on. Having said that, we can't completely rule out the possibility of 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, especially in our southern tier of counties from Marion to Winston over to Coleman County. I think those are the ones that are going to have the best chance at those strong wind gusts. Hail likely not much of an issue, but we certainly will see more heavy downpours as these storms roll in later on tonight. Here's the timeline on future radar. Those of you along and west of I-65 could see the storms as early as 6 p.m. That 6, 7, 8 o'clock window appears to be the best chance of that initial surge of storms. Huntsville, right around 8 or 9 o'clock is when we will begin to see that storm threat, and it will continue through the remainder of this evening. We get a brief break from midnight through about 4 a.m. and then a separate complex of showers and storms starts in the Shoals and drifts eastward late tonight and early in the day on Friday. So at the very least, there is a decent chance at more rain when you head out the door on Friday morning. As time rolls on Friday, the chances for showers and storms will actually be dropping. So it's going to be kind of the opposite tomorrow. Wet early in the day, clearing out for the most part late in the day. If you have Friday evening plans, there is a good chance they will end up staying dry. So good timing in that regard. Temperatures look similar tomorrow to what we have seen today, topping out in the upper 70s and low 80s, including 82 in Huntsville. Again, the best chance at showers and storms will be for the first half of the day. Looking ahead to this weekend, pop-up storms during the daytime remain possible on both Saturday and Sunday, but they will be more isolated. So most of us are going to heat up in a big way, with many of us seeing heat index numbers near 90 on Saturday afternoon, and even more so, we'll see low 90s for heat index numbers on Mother's Day. It's going to be toasty out there this weekend for sure. We should trend a little cooler as we head into the middle of next week. A look at your 10-day forecast has those highs falling to the low 80s next Tuesday through next Thursday.